You've probably heard a lot about corona testing recently. In this video, we'll be discussing which is the best test to do for corona and why, when is the right time to do the testing, and antibody testing mythbusters. So keep watching. There are basically two types of tests. One is your diagnostic test, another is your antibody test. Diagnostic tests are basically used to detect if you have an active infection, whether or not you should isolate yourself from others. Whereas antibody testing allows you to know if you had a previous infection and whether or not you have developed immunity against corona. Currently, there are two types of diagnostic tests. One is your molecular test like your RT-PCR, and second is your antigen test, which is your rapid diagnostic test. First is your RT-PCR. This is the gold standard because it is highly accurate and usually does not need to be repeated. So how long does it take to get the test results? Around 3 to 4 hours is good enough. Now you get your results. It is positive. What does that mean? It means that RT-PCR has detected some viral genetic material in your sample. So the important thing over here is that the genetic material can be either live or dead. So if you're symptomatic, it means that most likely the genetic material is live and you have an active infection. But if you're asymptomatic and still your test result is positive, it means that the viral dead genetic material has been detected and you have had an infection and it has been cured. This is why it is very important not to do a test unless you're symptomatic. So if you want to know when to do a retest, do check out this video. Also, what if your test result is negative and you're symptomatic? In that case, you can do a retest of RT-PCR after 48 hours. Next, coming on to antigen tests. So these are basically used for early detection of COVID-19. In case of antigen tests, positive results are highly accurate, but negative results have to be confirmed using an RT-PCR. This means that if you get a positive test result with antigen testing, you definitely have COVID-19. But if you get a negative result, this means that either you have COVID-19 and it is not detected, or you do not have COVID-19. In this case, you have to confirm it by doing an RT-PCR. Next, moving on to antibody tests. So how this works is that whenever a virus enters the body tries to protect itself from the virus by producing something known as antibodies. So in case of COVID-19, antibodies such as IgM or IgG is detected in the blood. So there are two types of antibody testing. One is your qualitative test and the second is your quantitative test. In qualitative test, it is more like yes or no, whether you have antibodies against COVID-19 or not, yes or no. Whereas in quantitative, you get a numerical value, how many antibodies are produced against the virus. When is the ideal time to get an antibody testing done? So research has shown that once you get infected, after 2 weeks, antibody levels gradually starts rising. It keeps on rising till around 5.5 weeks. So if you get a test after 2 weeks, before 5.5 weeks, you will have a good amount of antibody. This would be a good time to get an antibody testing done. So positive antibody testing simply means that you have had a previous COVID-19 infection and possibly, not surely, have developed some immunity for some time. So if you have any queries related to antibody testing or COVID tests, please leave it down in the comment section. See you soon. Until then, stay home, stay safe.